Imagine a city where the echo of centuries-old church bells fades, and the sound of the Adzan rises in its place. In the heart of London, this shift is becoming more and more visible. But what does it mean for the future of the UK? Stick with us as we unravel the story of Londonistan, a place where the mosques are rising and churches are being left behind. The Muslim population in Europe is growing rapidly, and London is at the center of this transformation. Mosques, once scarce, are now alive with worshippers, filling up to the point of overflowing. In British cities, especially in London, the presence of Islam is becoming unmistakable. The city, once home to towering Christian cathedrals, now hosts hundreds of Sharia courts and an ever-expanding number of mosques. What's surprising is not just the number of mosques being built, but where they're being built. Historic churches that have stood for hundreds of years are now being replaced by mosques. For instance, St. Peter's Church in England and St. Mark's Cathedral have both been transformed into places of Islamic worship. At the same time, the UK welcomed a new king, King Charles III. But despite his Christian background, the churches are facing a decline in attendance. In contrast, the mosques are so full that Friday prayers often spill out onto the streets, forcing worshippers to gather in makeshift prayer spaces. Is this a sign that Christianity is losing its influence in the UK?
Londonistan. Ternyata Londonistan adalah julukan terbaru bagi sebuah kota yang bernama London. Yang menciptakan julukan Londonistan adalah jurnalis terkemuka, Melanie Phillips, demi melukiskan betapa besar pengaruh Islam terhadap ibu kota Inggris di masa kini. Sejak 2001 sampai dengan 2016, di London telah didirikan 4.023 masjid baru sementara sekitar 500 gereja telah ditutup. The Hyatt United Chuch dibeli oleh umat Islam dari Mesir dan diubah menjadi masjid. Sama halnya dengan gereja Santo Peter dirubah menjadi Masjid Madinah. Masjid Brick Lane semula adalah sebuah gereja Methodist. Bukan hanya bangunan yang berubah sebab pada tahun 2016, jumlah kaum muallaf di kota Londonistan meningkat 2 kali lipat.